Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the data and starting the merge now. Open Word, go to Mailings, and choose Start Mail Merge or the wizard so you follow steps visually. You should have an Excel file with a header row and clean columns. Once saved, click Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. Make sure to pick the correct sheet or named range because Word reads headers as field names. Once linked, you're ready to insert fields into the document. Next, insert merge fields where personalized information belongs. Select Insert Merge Field and choose the header names from your list. You should format those fields, fonts, spacing, punctuation, so merged records look correct. Once done, apply rules like if, then, or skip record to handle exceptions such as missing titles or opt-outs. Also use Edit Recipient List to sort or filter recipients and to match fields if headers differ. When you preview results, scan several records to confirm formatting and logic. To finish, choose Finish and Merge and decide whether to edit individual documents, print, or send email messages directly. When sending email, map the to, subject, and mail format fields correctly. When printing, pick records or all. Save the main document as a template so you can reuse layout and field placements and keep your data files separate. If things go wrong, check field names and data types, clear hidden characters in Excel, and rerun preview. That single check fixes most merge errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.